Hello guys, welcome to Same Tech Hub. In today's video we'll be talking about Pixelverse. So as you know, Pixelverse just listed their PIXFI on most of their exchanges. Okay, so let's check their Twitter page if they have any info for us. Okay, as you can see, Pixelverse is trending. Okay, Pixelverse is trending number 1. Okay, so Pixelverse just listed, you can see PIXFI is trading live. Okay, so we'll check one of these exchanges to see if the price is very good for us to trade. Okay, so we'll check the Bybit account, but first let's see what they have to say about their launching. Okay, so they posted this 6 hours ago. Okay, they said upcoming TG and Airdrop are set to be one of the largest ever. Okay, that's why Pixelverse is redefining Airdrop distribution to ensure fairness for the Pixelverse community. Okay, so key point notes. You said all users to receive their NFT reward, Pixel Tap and the dashboard users as of July 18 will receive NFT based on engagement and level. So with Pixel Tap and their dashboard, you have to do some tax to reach a certain number of levels. Okay, so with Pixel Tap and the dashboard, you have to do some taxes to achieve some level. Okay, and they said they will reward users based on the level they achieved. Okay, and those reward will be claimable on 25th July. Okay, so on 25th July we will be able to claim the token they sent us. Okay, so Pixel Tap come on to legendary NFT based on player levels. Okay, so if you are level 1, you have a reward to receive. If you are in level 2, level 3, level 4 to the maximum level, you have a reward to receive. Okay, and the dashboard reward based on bot counts, levels and completed quests. Okay, so with the dashboard you get your reward based on bot count, the levels and the completed request. But with the Pixel Tap, the Telegram own, you get your reward on based on the player's level. Okay, you get an NFT reward. Okay, so with the airdrop details, they said 10% of PIXFI allocated to holders of rare, epic and legendary NFT. So if you were a player and your level, you got a rare or epic or legendary NFT, you'll be able to receive 10% of the PIXFI on 25th July. Okay, so additional reward for Pixelverse and Pixel Chain users distributed over time, that will be 20%. Okay, and they said gas free, meaning you won't pay any transaction fee or any network fee. Everything is free. There's no gas fee to claim your tokens. Okay, there's no gas fee to claim your tokens on the dashboard and on the Pixel Tap. Okay, everything is free. Okay, so let's go to one of the exchanges. I used Bybit, so let's go to Bybit. Okay, and let's see what's going on Bybit. Okay, so as you can see, PIXFI is ranking higher. Okay, the percentage is very high. It has raised 1,156 and going. Okay, and the current price is 0.023. okay, so let's check the market. Okay, as you can see, the market just rised and it declines very little and it's still rising. Okay, it's very good for trading. Okay, so this is the market price and the chart for PIXFI pairing on USDT. Okay, currently there's a lot of users on their platform and their platform is lagging, especially the Telegram own. Okay, and I believe it will be fixed soon with their Telegram mini app. The Pixel Tap is very slow. There's a lot of problem with this app. Okay, which I believe it will be fixed soon, because small time you see maintenance or working or something. Yeah, so let's check their dashboard. As you can see, their dashboard is still loading. Okay, there's a lot of people on this dashboard that makes it slow. Yeah, and I believe it will be fixed soon. Let's check their Twitter account for more info. Okay, so if this video helped you with some info about the trading of PIXFI and their Pixelverse, then please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.